In this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum. We're going to be analyzing the price of Ethereum, basically giving a technical analysis upon price action, basically be seeing where price is going over the next few days and weeks. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Ethereum, please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Ethereum is currently up 5.38% at the time of recording. You can see here that we did reach the daily low of around 2.649, and then from then onwards we pretty much been bullish, which is really nice to see. It looks like we're getting closer towards the $3,000 mark. So yes, really nice to see as the overall market is starting to become bullish again. You can see here the overall market cap is at 1.84 trillion and the overall market is up 3.28%. So if we go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis upon Ethereum to see what is going on. So yeah, from yesterday's video you could have seen that I had initially pretty much marked this out to see that price would initially take out liquidity base below this, and we did have a reaction from it, which therefore led towards another higher high being made. But we got to take into consideration that this is a very strong supply zone. But in my opinion, I feel like this will not be respected. Even though we did have a minor pullback, I feel like this will be the original one. I feel like this one will have the most impact for Ethereum essentially. The main reason for this is, let me just change the color actually. So this is the main supply zone where I feel like price could possibly come into. The main reason for this is that there's a huge amount of imbalance. And as well as that, when looking for liquid, pretty much supply zones, you gotta look for the most vital one essentially, pretty much the last point essentially. And yeah, this is pretty much the last point, and then from then onwards, this is what initially caused the downwards trend. Pretty much had a break of structure. So yeah, you gotta also take all of those confluences when it comes to trading. This is mainly the 2 hours. So if you drop into the 1 hour to see how prices be getting on, you can see here price is see exactly, yeah, you wouldn't really classify this as a demand zone, possibly just a liquidity area in my opinion. And then you can see huge amounts of imbalances being made. So I feel like price is now finally approaching towards the 3k mark, and I feel like if we do close above it, we could possibly start to reach let me just go into a higher time frame to get some better. So yeah, I feel like this would be the next target. The main target is 3k. If we close above it, we could possibly reach 3.2. And then if we're still overall bullish, we could possibly start to see the highs of possibly even 3.8 and 4k starting to get taken out. But obviously it won't happen overnight, and it takes time for the overall market, as it does have its cycles, the accumulation, the distribution cycles that do occur within the market. If you do check on the daily to see how prices be getting on, you can see that we've now had a break of structure essentially, and it looks like we are starting to get bullish again, which is really nice to see. If we quickly check over at Bitcoin to see how Bitcoin is doing, you can see here that we are pretty much in a distribution schematic. Possibly feel like price could come lower, that roughly around this region, as there is a demand zone roughly around here. I feel like price would pretty much liquidate all of these weak-handed buyers essentially, and therefore pretty much gathering a lot more buyers within this, which therefore could possibly pump price up. And when Bitcoin is bullish, the overall market does tend to become bullish, which is really good to see. So if we go back over to Ethereum to see how price is going, so what is the main targets essentially? You could possibly even draw Fibonacci retracement, and then possibly see that this would possibly be a really strong reversal zone. But in my opinion, I feel like this one would be the most ideal one if we do have a reaction from it. But if not, then it would be better if we don't have a reaction. But obviously with price being liquidated, we will have a little pullback towards the downside. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs. Peace.